One's looking over here like, hey, bring me something to eat. They're both looking now like, hey, you taking our picture? Yeah, I'm taking y'all pictures. Smile. Smile pretty. Smile pretty. Smile pretty. Okay, so now I know that's a good spot. Maybe to take leftover lettuce or scraps. Okay, that's a good spot. Now I see a good spot where I can take leftover deer treats for deer, leftover scraps out here on Kathleen's prop. Right, guys? Right, ladies and gents? Lady and gentlemen, lady and gentlemen. Huh. It's overcast out here, but that's pretty. I'm definitely gonna upload this one right now. Look at that. Run, run, there it goes. It's running, it's running. The big one's running. The big one ran off. Okay, now there goes the little one. I don't know if I'm catching this. Okay, there they go. They're gone. Okay. Okay, they're gone. Okay, enough for now. Let's upload this.